61A, lecture number 28. Ah, what was that? Oh, something's there. Oh, there it goes again. Oh no, here it comes! Terrifying. But I think it's past. Happy Halloween. Announcements. Homework 7 is due Thursday. There's no small group tutoring this week. And if you'd like to submit a regrade request for midterm 2, please do that by next Wednesday. That gives you this week to look at your answer, compare it to the solution, which is good practice anyway. And if you find out that you did answer a question correctly, just not in a way that we expect, you should get full credit, so file a regrade request. It's unlikely that we will change the rubrics at this point, but if you see that the rubric was applied incorrectly to your answer, please let us know. Once regrades are complete, we'll describe the details of point recovery, which kicks in when you miss something on midterm 1, but get it right on midterm 2. Point recovery on exams is really most important for the final, because most of the final overlaps with midterm 1 and midterm 2. So, if on the final you can answer questions correctly that you had a hard time on in the midterm, then you'll recover some points. So, very nice work on a challenging exam, but if you're not entirely satisfied with your score, now is a great time to keep reviewing the content from the course. One suggestion I have is that every time you solve a problem in Scheme, you could ask yourself, do I know how to solve this problem in Python? And try it out as practice. It's also a good time to review some of the Python questions from past final exams. We've now covered the Python content for the course, aside from one particular topic called exceptions, which we'll talk about a little bit on Wednesday, but almost everything about Python you already know. So if you want to get some more practice, you can always look at final exam questions from past semesters. Last Friday, we learned about Scheme, and in fact, we covered 4 weeks worth of material all the way through recursion in one lecture, because Scheme is so simple that you can learn how the programming language works in a day, and you can also leverage what you already know about Python, lambdas, and environments, and recursion in this new programming language. Today, we'll cover weeks 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, everything about data, because Scheme has a very simple story about storing data, which is that there's only one built-in data structure. It's called the Scheme list, and it's a lot like the linked list that we learned about in Python. Let's check it out.